Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel once again. In this video, I am completing the watercolor painting and there is first part of this painting I have already published and this is the part 2 of that. Hope you have liked the part 1 of this video. In this video, I have given step-by-step tutorial on watercolor painting and you can see how I am mixing colors. I am making light to dark tones in this painting. So enjoy the video and observe how I am applying the colors, and it will be really helpful for you. Most of the work in this painting I have done freehand. Only the lamp I have drawn. Rest of the work I have done with brush and with wet on wet technique. If you have not seen part 1 of this video, you can go and check my description box. I have given the link of that video, and from that you can see painting from beginning to the finish in part 2. Hope you have liked the video. Give a like if you like and share it with your friends who are facing problem in watercolors, because I have given step-by-step tutorial in this video. And stay tuned, stay connected for my other tutorials. Enjoy the video and subscribe to my channel if you're new on my channel.